everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Ling Ling and I'm very pleased to have you here today because today I'm going to unbox another purchase item from Dior with you all. It is one of my favorite jackets in wool, virgin wool and 1% silk, 99% virgin wool. It's for me like one of my most classical and timeless jackets besides like my Max Mara jacket. I used to purchase like my Max Mara jacket like maybe 1 year before this jacket, and both of them are now my favorite jackets when it's a little bit colder. So right now the weather has been changing, so like I don't wear this jacket anymore, but like for anyone who is like living in Europe, probably the weather is still like pretty much cold, or like in other areas of the world. So but anyway, because this is a timeless jacket, I can actually like wear it every year again when the weather changes to a bit colder. And also it's a light jacket, it's not too heavy, so I like this jacket also for this reason. And the color is like dark blue, which is like the most iconic and signature color of Dior, because Dior always mentions like, you know, blue is a second kind of black, so it's less boring than black. It's still got some color, but it's still just as stylish and classic like black. So let me like unpack this bag with you. I call it an unboxing video, but like unboxing belongs for me to the same category. So whenever I purchase something from Dior, as you can see, as all in my previous videos, you can see they will always put it in a nice bag with a star. And also like when you purchase like some nice clothing, fancy jacket or something from them, they always make sure that you have a nice dust bag, so that in future you can just like hang it in your wardrobe and it will remain dust free at the same time. So this is very handy because you can fold it double when you want to go travel. You can actually like hang it somewhere or just in your cabinet like that, but I prefer it to be like this so that it doesn't have any dents later on. So let me unzip it because I'm very excited to share this with all of you. So here we go. Okay, let me take the dust bag off the hanger. Now this is the jacket. This is a very classic jacket. It is like in the dark blue color, which is like a signature color from Dior, and the inner interior contains that like the oblique pattern that is like the very classic oblique logo, which already existed for very long in Dior's collection, and it's one of their most unique and recognizable signature logo pattern. I think this pattern, even though it's got the logo, it's a bit like, you know, low profile at the same time. And this jacket looks like it's reversible because it got like two different kind of fabrics, or I would say it's like one fabric, but I mean like inside it has a different pattern than on the outside. The outside is like one color. It's like, you know, contains the consistent color of like blue. So this material is like virgin wool, 99% virgin wool and 1% silk. But it kind of feels like cashmere. I don't know why, because it's probably like virgin wool feels like just as comfortable, and when you wear it you feel like very warm at the same time, and it's a very light jacket. So this is also one of the things that I want to mention, that it is very light. On the other hand, even though this jacket is a little bit pricey, but because it's like very timeless and classic, you will not regret if you have something like this in your collection, because I think it will always like stay in fashion, especially because of the signature iconic color blue from Dior that never goes out of their collection. That is like their main standard iconic color, and also the oblique pattern is like very recognizable, and I find this very chic and grand. So let me try it on. Now this is the cutting. It's actually like not like a very straight cutting. It's like a little bit like A-line, and it got like, you know, double buttons, like 6 buttons in a row. And if you open the jacket, then you can see there's a different pattern inside. So this makes this jacket a little bit more fun and also like very recognizable, but then low profile that it is a Dior jacket because the oblique pattern is not on the exterior but on the interior, which I prefer more. And also there's like a logo on the back of this jacket. If you take it off, you can see it. Like, let me turn this around a little bit so you can see there's a Dior logo as well. And yeah, the color is very nice, and I believe that if the weather is a little bit colder, you might also wear it like on your shoulders, like a little bit like a cape as well. They have another version of this jacket, which is a cape version. I have also like been considering between this jacket or the cape, the real cape version jacket. The real cape has like sleeves that goes outward, and if you like, you know, open your arms, you can actually see the logo, but actually you have the same effect when you wear this jacket on your shoulders. So it's just what you prefer. But I find this a little bit like easygoing, and it's easier to match with a lot of my clothing and wardrobe at the same time. Also, this length is for me perfect because like I could wear like a short skirt underneath or like jeans, and then also because it's not too long, you can actually also wear like higher boots, like over knees under it, like suede over knees, like Stuart Weitzman boots. They're very famous for that. Or like shorter boots but still long, or ankle boots, or even heels. So it's very easy to combine and it's timeless. So I hope you like this video again, and yeah, I hope to see you next time again with another unboxing or unpacking video, or maybe some special event at some special brand shop like Dior or others, or events that I can show you around in which I visit. So please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like and comment at the same time. Thank you so much for following me, and also like joining me in this journey and joining me in this unboxing, unpacking video, and hope to see you very soon again. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And for those who haven't seen my previous videos yet, here's an extra invitation to watch them. My previous video about a special preview in the shop, and also a special event in the Dior Villa in Sosen Hill. Join also my special VIP tours in the shop, and I got some nice unboxing videos about some Dior items as well. And there's a lot more coming in future to share with you also. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, comment and like, and also hit the bell so that you don't miss out anything in future. Thank you so much, and see you very soon.